Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this tutorial I would like to show you the way how to remove Capcut Watermark on iOS or iPhone. So the first thing we have to do now is just go open the Capcut application, and this is the look, and let's check first how does it look whenever we create a new project, and then we choose let's see, a random video. Then you just need to go edit, and you can see like in the end of this video there will be appear a Capcut watermark. You can actually remove it manually by click this clip of the watermark, and after that you just need to click delete, and this watermark will be disappear from your video. But then whenever you start a new project again, those watermark will be appear again. So to make it disappear like every time, you just need to go click into the settings part, and after that you just need to take a look on this add default ending. Now you just need to turn off this button, and now you just need to go click discard. Now let's take a look on the result. Let's just go click the new project and add the video on the project, and let's see, does the watermark already disappear? It's disappeared. So that's the way how to remove Capcut watermark on iOS or iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye bye.